In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design eye-catching Facebook ads in Canva 5 minutes. Open Canva and use the search bar to look for Facebook ad. This pulls up presets tailored for Facebook placements so you don't have to worry about dimensions. Pick the size that matches where you plan to run the ad, then create a new design to get started. From here, you can choose a template or start with a blank canvas. Templates are a great shortcut if you want inspiration or a ready-made layout. Look for one that matches your brand's tone: playful, professional, bold, or minimalist. If you go blank, keep your layout simple and focused around one main message. Next, upload your own images, logos, and any short video clips. Drag and drop them onto the canvas, then use Canva's crop, frame, and alignment tools to position everything neatly. Make sure your logo is present but not overpowering, and use high-quality images to keep the ad crisp. Canva's media gallery is perfect if you need supporting visuals. Search for stock photos, illustrations, icons, and shapes that reinforce your message. Use filters to narrow by style or color so everything feels cohesive. Combine stock with your brand assets for a polished, on-brand look. Now refine the style. Pick font pairings that reflect your brand and limit yourself to 1 or 2 fonts for consistency. Choose a color palette that your audience already associates with you. Consider a clean background with plenty of negative space so your message stands out. Add a strong, clear call to action. Keep the main headline short and action-oriented, and place it where the eye naturally lands, often near the center or bottom area. Establish visual hierarchy with a larger headline and smaller supporting text so the viewer knows exactly what to read first. Ensure legibility with solid color contrast between text and background. If your image is busy, add a semi-transparent overlay or a simple text box. Double-check readability on both desktop and mobile previews. To add energy, try subtle animations on text or elements. Keep motion smooth and purposeful and avoid animating everything at once. If needed, use Canva's background remover to isolate a product or person for a cleaner layout. When you're happy, download the design. Use JPG or PNG for static images, or MP4 if you used animation. Choose high quality while keeping file size reasonable. Finally, upload your ad to Facebook. Preview it across placements to confirm everything looks sharp, then publish and monitor performance. That's it. Your Canva-made Facebook ad is ready to turn heads.